Why, in spite of a legal dispute with the SEC, is Ripple announcing additional job openings? As the wait and watch era begins, the price of XRP has also been noted to reverse its tendencies. Does Senator Elizabeth Warren propagate incorrect information to the public? To sum up, check out this new video as soon as possible if this sounds like something that would be of interest to you. You should purchase the XRP dip because XRP is a diamond in the rough. It seems like a really good concept to me. But this is not investment advice. Notwithstanding XRP's subpar performance in 2023 when compared to other cryptocurrencies, the company offers a great investment opportunity because of its distinct use case, global expansion, and development. The ongoing SEC action against XRP is a serious worry, but it shouldn't be seen as a game-changing development. Even a defeat in court and the subsequent end of the litigation won't spell the end for XRP. Keep in mind that any result at all should encourage the creation of desperately needed regulation in the cryptocurrency sector. Since the SEC launched its complaint, the cost of the legal struggle has been factored into XRP charts. In the course of the judicial conflict, the token has lost 36% of its worth. Bitcoin and the S&P 500 have both essentially gone in the same direction at the same time. Ethereum has increased from a $10,000 investment to a $25,500 investment. This figure would be very difficult to interpret today with Solana's tenfold growth. XRP is used often and has the sixth largest market value in the cryptocurrency industry. A sensible choice might be to act now, when the market is somewhat weak. This cryptocurrency needs to catch up. Fortune favors the courageous, and making a risky investment in XRP can be one that pays off in the long run. I'll take another look and potentially double down on this excellent notion at an even better starting price if the end of the case results in another price reduction. Despite what seems to be an endless legal battle with the US Securities and Exchange Commission, Ripple is still striving to grow its personnel. The IT company recently made many job positions on its team public and invited interested and eligible candidates to apply. According to a preview of its careers page, up to 71 job positions are presently open across multiple departments, including but not limited to engineering, RippleNet Finance, Legal Republics, and worldwide operations. Also, the organization is looking for interns for its product management, software engineering, and product design positions. Several countries, including the United States, Canada, Singapore, the United Kingdom, Australia, and the United Arab Emirates, are included in the majority of jobs list of locations where they are available. In the midst of the protracted legal battle with the SEC, Ripple has been growing its legal team to strengthen its defense plan and improve its ability to handle court cases. The Silicon Valley company hired Kylie Kim and Clayton Masterman in July of last year to kill off Hansen attorneys who were scheduled to speak pro-hack vice in the SEC lawsuit. 3 legal positions are now open within the company, including a compliance intern position, a litigation attorney position in San Francisco, and a corporate counsel position in Singapore. Only 2 months have passed since Monica Long was named the new president of Ripple at the time of the most recent employment role disclosure. Long has been employed by the company for about 10 years, starting in September 2013 as the director of communications. Ripple's ability to thrive even in the face of a protracted legal dispute with the SEC and a general bear market is nothing short of amazing. The desire for growth among technological companies coincides with ongoing layoffs at several other businesses in the cryptocurrency sector. Around 2,000 jobs have been lost in the crypto ecosystem this year alone, according to reputable media site Fortune, including at Genesis Luna, DCG, and Crypto.com. Blockchain.com, a cryptocurrency broker, laid off 28% of its workforce in January, or 110 employees. Moreover, American exchange Coinbase fired 950 employees, or 20% of its staff, in January. The ecosystem of digital currencies is now experiencing a promising bullish trend, with the combined market valuation of all cryptocurrencies rising by 3.93% to $1.2 trillion. Due to its price being on course for a bullish reversal in light of recent dips, XRP is utilizing this uptrend to its advantage. XRP's price is now 38 cents, up 2.43% over the last 24 hours and 3.19% for the previous week. Compared to the rise of Bitcoin or Ethereum, XRP has generally grown more slowly. But judging by the current pattern, a fresh degree of optimism appears to be emerging. The failure of XRP over the past 2 years has been sealed in a vacuum as the legal dispute between blockchain payments from Ripple Labs Incorporated and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, showed varying developments that have further raised concerns among the token's holders about the token's future. The litigation has now entered a wait-and-see phase for members of the XRP community, who have great hopes for a summary judgment, and some of whom think a successful resolution will spark tremendous development in the coin. Experts who have been following the Ripple vs. SEC case over the past few months have emphasized their belief that the blockchain payments case against the regulator is strong and may support its success in court. John Deaton and Scott Chamberlain have both given various arguments for why they think XRP is not a security and that the SEC's assertions are an abuse of regulatory authorities, in addition to Ripple's own in-house attorneys. Community members and influencers are advising traders to stockpile XRP ahead of the summary decision due to the widespread assurances surrounding some of the currency. There is speculation that the firm's company is thriving in other high-growth locations, which can fuel XRP's growth over the long run in addition to the likelihood of winning the lawsuit. I want to tell you something about Expo before I go any further. A market maker is a self-imposed liquidity provider. The decentralization of cryptocurrency trading is aided by someone donating their crypto assets to a platform. When you use the export, you can gain rewards with fees from transactions on that platform, which many people consider a type of passive income. A blockchain asset management protocol known as automatic compounding combines data analytics and optimization approaches to automatically combine rewards and produce the maximum potential compound interest rate. These protocols often invest 1 or more times per day in the returns or involvement of LP users to increase APY. It is crucial to make it clear that anyone can use DSpool to offer liquidity to decentralized platforms like Uniswap, SushiSwap, and other similar ones. Additionally, there are many advantages to making this kind of long-term investment, including the fact that you can earn rewards while your cryptocurrency is still in staking and that decentralized platforms based on blockchains that coordinate crypto trading on a massive scale among many users are entirely powered by automated algorithms. If you use the URL provided in the video description, you can collect Ixwell's special welcome registration bonus. This incentive entails receiving as much as 100 XRP. This liquidity benefit lasts for 10 days. The incentive is only available when you make a deposit, and the offer is restricted. Now for the major query: has Senator Elizabeth Warren been spreading incorrect information around the community? Please remember to tick the notification button and subscribe to our channel if you want to be the first to learn about new developments involving XRP. Different opinions on how the US government should react to the cryptocurrency business were recently highlighted in a recent conversation between Senator Elizabeth Warren and Susan Friedman Counsel, according to Ripple's international policy. Elizabeth Warren attacked the government for giving billion-dollar cryptocurrency companies more attention than distressed borrowers of student loans. Senator Warren emphasized her worries about the perceived inequality in the government's handling of various financial sectors, particularly in the context of the ongoing student loan crisis, while Friedman maintained that the government's measures were not only directed at the crypto industry. She indicated that the American people should be wary of a system that seems to put the interests of cryptocurrency companies ahead of those of people who are paying off college loans. Susan Friedman, counsel at Ripple Foreign Policy, responded that she did not agree with Senator Warren's assessment of the activities of the government. In her view, the government's action to safeguard depositors did not represent an effort to sustain the cryptocurrency sector. Instead, Friedman underlined that the decision has an impact on a wide range of companies and people, with the cryptocurrency industry being just one aspect of a bigger picture. Friedman asked elected officials to refrain from relying on dramatic headlines that failed to convey the depth of the problem and advocated for a more nuanced view of the situation. She thinks that in order to have a productive conversation, It is critical to have a more accurate and balanced view of the government's actions. The conversation between Susan Friedman and Senator Elizabeth Warren sheds insight on the continuing discussion about the function of cryptocurrencies in the financial system and the obligation of the state to promote various businesses. Senator Warren's worries reflect the cynicism that many Americans have over the banking system's priorities, but Friedman's reaction highlights the need for a more thorough and impartial view of the situation. We've reached the conclusion of the video, guys. If you liked it, please click like on the video. Don't forget to hit the notification button and subscribe. I find that the YouTube algorithm is greatly aided by this. Sharing this video with as many people as you can will also help enlighten others in the same way that you have been enlightened. Let's spread the word about this, guys. Don't miss any of our stuff if you are a serious Bitcoin enthusiast. I'll see you tomorrow to discuss the most recent news that affects our entire community.